everyone, this is Got2 Sailor, and this is going to be my very first anime and manga industry related video, and it's going to be the past pickups I've had for the past 3 months, and a special pickup that I've had for a while that I would love to share with everyone. Okay, so first off, we're going to start with manga. First thing I have right here is Bakuman Volume 20, which I actually got last Friday, and it was signed by Takeshi Obata himself. I was really happy for this because I got it at Kinokuniya, and yeah, I got to meet Takeshi Obata. He gave me a signed autograph with, it was a signboard with the guy from All You Need Is Kill. It was really cool. I have volumes 1, 2, and 3 of Berserk, and I got these all at Otakon at the dealer's room. I got Heroic Legend of Arslan, the new Kodansha version by Hiromu Arakawa, and I got this at Otakon as well, except this was at the Kodansha booth because they had early press release, specifically at Otakon. I have World Triggers Volume 1 and 2. I pre-ordered these, and I'm really happy because I've been keeping up with this since it came out back in Japan, and I don't know, I just really like the premise. It's a really interesting sci-fi. And then over here is where the anime starts. I have Golden Boy, which is one of the funniest series I've ever seen. If you've never seen Golden Boy, you should watch it. Some classics like Fullmetal Alchemist, complete. Here says 34 through 64 and 1 through 33, all on Blu-ray. And then I have the OVA collection on DVD and Blu-ray. Heroic Legend of Arslan, the 90s OVAs. I got these because I wanted to watch it because I saw Legend of Galactic Heroes, and this is by the same author. And here, I've actually had this for a year and a half, but this is JoJo's Bizarre Adventure 2012, complete. I bought all the single volumes, and look, they're beautiful. They have the back covers and the front covers. They have different characters. They look gorgeous, these covers. And I also got some extras from them. These are the key animations booklet for part 2 Battle Tendency right here. And part 1 Phantom Blood. I'm a fan of key animations and Genga, which is those keyframes, and I'm gonna start collecting them, maybe make some videos about them. I have Psychopaths on Blu-ray, the box. I got Toward the Terra complete. I got these at Otakon as well. Oh, and I got this through Amazon. I just ordered it about a month ago. I got these also through Amazon. I got all these DVDs from Amazon too. Oh, I also have Devil is a Part-Timer. I wanted this because I really wanted the Funimation dub. This is also DVD plus Blu-ray combo. It was one of my favorite comedies of last year, so I definitely wanted to buy it. And this is Black Lagoon, DVD and Blu-ray. This was really cheap. This was only 23 bucks. And then my last pickup was Revolutionary Girl Utena, complete, on the DVD boxes. I'll try to unbox these and show you guys what the discs look like. But yeah, I'm really happy that this is my first collection. So I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna try removing the shrink wrap on camera. I only have an iPad right now to record, so please bear with me. Let's hope this works well. Because I want to show everyone the boxes and the front covers and back covers. I want to show them all the art on it. So hopefully this can work. Alright, so here's Black Lagoon, the cover, sides. just one box. Two discs. Oh, 3, 4. There you go. Oh, okay, so season 1 and 2 and on 4 discs. And Funimation card. It has the episode list here. And some extras. I always love extras. So. Black Lagoon. Next up is, I'll do something. I've been meaning to open this for a very long time now because it has ID holder plus logo decal plus card case plus keychain. Season 1 set, oh, the OST, and then episodes 1 through 22. I really wanted the OST because this is by Yugo Kanno, who did a bunch of live action shit, but he also worked on the OST for JoJo's Bizarre Adventure Stardust Crusaders, which aired this year. So, very exciting. Bat. This fucking advertising. I'll put this inside the box. The box itself. This is the front with Akane. Side. Open. And the back with Pokemon. I really like this artwork. Like it fits with like the style of the show so well. This is the first season. Nice timing code. Before season. Oh, 3 discs. Okay. It's like there are 4 discs. Each side has 2. Another Funimation card. Again, the episode list. And I think this also has extras, but doesn't seem to say here. Season 1 OST. Been waiting for this. I almost torrented it, but you know, I knew that I was eventually gonna buy this, so I was hoping to find a set that would bring the OST because I definitely want to give money where it's due. I was divided into 2 discs. This one. This is it. Let's see if there's something. No, like sellers or anything that's on the top. Let's see if you can get a good look at the names of the tracks. I haven't even like gone out of my way to listen to these tracks on YouTube. That's how much I've been like anticipating it. Criminal Investigation Division, ID logo, logo decal, card case, and feature. And so I just took out the contents and showed you right here. This is the card holder. My mom actually has something similar to this that we get from like pharmacies and shit. This is the decal. And this, check it out. Psychopath. Let me show you Devil is a Part-Timer now. This is like one of my favorite shows of last year. It was just hilarious. For those of you who haven't seen it, Devil is a Part-Timer is basically about the demon lord Satan, who ends up going to Japan based on some magic skill. He's trying to escape from the hero, the Satan, and then basically he's trapped in Japan, and he decides to like work at McDonald's and like work his way up the corporate ladder to take over the world. This is the DVD. No, this is Blu-ray. So there's to like differentiate. And then this was the little ad from the back. Great comedy, I totally recommend it. Next up, I want to show you guys Fullmetal Alchemist Brotherhood. This is such an amazing show, one of the best written series I've ever seen in a very long time. I honestly, like, I love the 2004 version, but then this just blew it out of the water, because this is really what Hiromu Arakawa wanted. Like, this was her story, like, the complete one. Let's start with the OVAs. The OVAs are only like 4 episodes, and they're kind of like standalone stories, but I guess they're kind of, some of them are quirky, some of them are sad, some of them are funny, and it lets you know more about some of the characters. I think there's one with Ed and Al's teacher. I forgot her name already, but there's one with her and how she met her husband. There's also one on Ed and Al in some city. I forgot the other two, but I enjoyed it enough to like wanna buy this. So, again, Funimation card. Ooh, nice art here. And I think these also bring the skits, the like 2-minute skits, which are also pretty fun. Then episodes 1 through 31. I think this is getting the shrink wrap inside. Yeah. At it now. Looking pretty badass. I actually haven't listened to the dub. That's probably gonna be what I watch on this run through. On this watch. Funimation cards. 1, 2, 3, 4 discs. Another Funimation card. Let's see if they have more art. Yeah. Oh shit. Here's a Hawkeye. Mustang. Pretty good. I think that's from the fight with Lust. That's ridiculous. And then part 2, episodes 34 64. Look at that. Father and the homunculus. Okay, so here's a better look. Oh, Armstrong and Doug. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh shit. Yeah, I forgot what he did. I think it was just like Bob or something. Yeah, Fullmetal Alchemist. Really looking forward to rewatching this. Next up, I gotta show you this, man. Golden Boy. Golden Boy. This is one of the most funny, like, OVAs I've ever seen in my life. And like, even though this DVD box is nothing special, like, this is pretty cheap. It's okay, hold on. Alright, now open it. There's nothing special. It's just 2 discs. They're really funny. It's about this guy, Kentaro Oe, who goes around like Japan trying to like learn, because basically he went to like Tokyo University or something, and he went there for law. He ended up dropping out because he learned all the material that there was to learn, and he felt he wasn't getting his money's worth. So he started going out just doing shit. And he meets all these beautiful women, and like gets himself into these crazy situations, like doing like odd jobs. It's so fucking funny, man. The last it's worth watching just for the last episode, honestly, because at that point, all of the women he's met before like end up teaming up for something. I'm not gonna spoil, and it just works so well. You should definitely check out Golden Boy. And then here is Heroic Legend of Arslan, the first, like the old OVA from like '93, and it got licensed and then lost, and then Central Park Media has it. And I wouldn't recommend this particular DVD because like I watched it and the artifacts were like so bad, but I would, however, recommend you watch this OVA just for the first episode, which is like a cinematic masterpiece. When it comes to music cues, like the OST itself, animation, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Even if it's like that rough early 90s style, it's super good, man. I watched the whole thing in like one sitting, but like I was really sad at the ending because it wasn't much of an ending, and like it left so much in the air that like it was pretty unsatisfying. But the first episode, like, I recommend you just watch that, and because then once Hiromu Arakawa finishes her manga adaptation of this is going to be like the quintessential version of Arslan that everyone will recommend, because this was adapted from novels by Yoshiki Tanaka, who worked on Legend of Galactic Heroes, Soryuden, and a bunch of other things that like he's an amazing writer. So I highly recommend just watch the first episode of Heroic Legend of Arslan from the OVAs, and then eventually we're probably gonna get an anime for this one. I have it. Next up is Toward the Terra. Some of you might know about this, some of you might not, like me, but my friend Timothy highly recommended this to me. It's like one of his favorite like sci-fis. As far as I know, it's probably a space opera, but anyway, like I'm into space anime, and like the art is really interesting. As far as I know, I think the artist was she did like Shoujo manga maybe, and because I saw the manga too on sale at the dealer's booth in Otakon, but I ended up getting the anime because my friend told me specifically to watch the anime. And this comes in parts, like 3 parts with 2 discs. Let's open it. Yeah, I'm actually really digging the art. I have to hold on. took off the weird DVD thing off all the other discs. And yo, this art, this looks really, really good. This is one thing I'm glad about, like, starting to purchase like DVDs. There's some really, really nice artwork, man. Let's look at the discs. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like this a lot. My favorite space opera though was Legend of the Galactic Heroes. I really wish we would have gotten that here in America. Alas. That's why we have fan subs. Yo, these covers though. What's up with these covers? They look so good. Really cool. From what I see, it's like a space opera with maybe some supernatural elements. I don't know how that's gonna work because I saw Valvrave, and Valvrave was a ride. I'll say that much. But we'll see. I'll look into like the studio, whoever animated it. It looks really cool. All right, so last and certainly not least of my new pickups is Revolutionary Girl Utena. This is one of the best series I have ever seen in my life. Like, you guys, if you haven't watched this, you have no idea. Like, it's 37, 38, 39 episodes, and like, it changed my life completely, like, by the time I finished it. I still have to watch the movie, but basically, this series is directed by Kunihiko Ikuhara, who did Mawaru, which I haven't seen yet. But, that's another series that's like held in really high regard. Anyway, yeah, Kunihiko Ikuhara. He's like one of the best directors, really, in Japan. That's like the kind of director that barely gets any work, but when he does, it's always like people have their eyes on him. Look at this. Utena is more than an adventure. It's a psychological roller coaster. One of the best anime ever. Look, I don't know who Anime Insider is, but this is the truth. It is absolutely beautiful in its composition and everything. Key animations, yes. Oh my god. Beautiful. I can't believe. Yes. This is so good. And then these DVD colors. It looks so gorgeous. As far as I know, I think Central Park Media was the one who previously had the rights to Utena. And then, I don't know who brought over the box sets. Because these came out in Japan, and then I guess these were licensed, and they were... Whoever brought them over was able to use this is the titular Utena and Anti Hiromu. Both of them like one of the most important fleshed out characters I've ever seen. But yeah, like this is the same DVD box art from the Central Park Media releases, I believe. Okay. This is the Student Council Saga art. I'm so glad I finally have this. This is the Black Rose art. This came with a little damage, and I'm really like disappointed. I'm probably gonna return this to get another one because the reason I got the box sets was because they look beautiful. I want to have them up to display. Alright, so Black Rose Saga. This was where it started picking up for me, honestly, because sometimes. For the first time watcher, it's gonna get a little repetitive with reused animation, but like it's not like bad reused animation. This is like extremely fluid, beautiful. Like this is a really like sensual series. Like it delves into like how do I say this? It's about growing up, honestly. Like, this girl Utena, she always thought she was a boy or something. Like, I don't know. Like, she wanted to be a prince because she was saved by a prince when she was younger. And oh shit, this is when shit gets real. There's a lot of like BL and Yuri vibes from it, but like honestly, who cares? Like, the way that everything is executed is just gorgeous. Like, I personally love seeing like really good. I personally love seeing like really good, well-written queer characters, as in like not straight. It can be gay or bisexual, doesn't matter. That I think the show has plenty of characters who can be, okay, I'm gonna say interpreted in that light, but honestly, they're all either gay, and I have no problem with that. I'm actually really happy because that's like quality representation that we don't get from other people in media. So, this is another reason I really like this series. This is the climax. The Apocalypse Saga. Everything was leading up to this. I'm so glad I got this box set. I fucking love the animation. And characters. This is so good. No, this series is so heavy on the symbolism and metaphors, and it's like, when does it end? Like, there's so much, and like, it's so dense, like on your first watch through, that like, I had to watch it twice, and I still don't get everything, and I'm gonna watch it one more time, now that I have it on this form. Adolescence of Utena. This is the movie. Yo, my friend Juan, he watched the movie, and he was like, I don't get half of what happened, but it was amazing. And he's like a movie critic based in Miami. Dude, I can't wait. Apparently in the movie, Utena herself turns into a car. And like, that's a whole nother like layer of symbolism or whatever for some shit. I don't know, I haven't seen it. Yo. Dude. This is so much. Can't wait to watch this series again. Some people might be put off by like the Shoujo art style, but who gives a fuck? Like, there are duels like in pretty much every episode, except for some of the more laid back ones, like 2 or 3 of them, and like they're so fluidly animated. It's so ridiculous. Utena, one of my favorite series ever, and now I have the boxes for it. It's so gorgeous. Highly recommend Revolutionary Girl Utena. Oh shit, man, I totally didn't notice until like after I picked up the box, but this here with the like the reviews for it or whatever, they were totally obscuring like another part of the cover, and I had to show you guys because this is some of my favorite box art I've ever seen. Like, holy crap, this is just like a bonus for me because like I totally did not see this coming at all. Alright, so the Students Council Saga art. Oh my god. This is really like foreshadowing the events. It's ridiculous. End of the world. Yo. Oh, totally. But yeah, oh sorry, just had to show you guys these covers. Alright, so I said that the Utena one was the last of my recent pickups, but I was definitely not going to leave without showing you guys the box art covers for JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, just because, like, check this out. This is the part 1 of the OST. Very fancy way. And I'm going to leave them like this. have like episode titles. They're all in Japanese, like audio obviously, but they do bring English subtitles, which is the reason I got them in the first place. Because I actually took Japanese in the third grade. I meant ninth grade. And I took it all the way through high school, and I understand some of it, but like, and obviously like enough to keep up, but I'm out of practice, so yeah. I love these covers because they have like the two central people in each set. So oh yeah, wait, this one actually, yeah, I was right. This one has the Battle Tendency OST. And look at like the art for it. Look at all the disc art. It's so detailed. I love it. Personally, like, I wasn't a huge fan of the 2012 anime style of like the characters, especially when you compare it to the manga, because I'm just like a manga fanboy. But yeah, oh, these were like part of some contest that if you pre-order all 9 volumes of these Blu-rays, then actually, if you pre-order all 9 volumes of these Blu-rays, then you get in the running for this particular Jonathan Joestar statue. Yeah, I wasn't able to participate obviously because I don't live in Japan, and like it was like you have to like mail in these things that they send you here. But yeah, that was really cool of them. Like you can really tell how much David Productions loved this like series. After I finish setting them up together, I'll zoom in one last time for you guys. There we go. So, look at this. Focus. Alright. So, Dio and Jonathan, Speedwagon and Zeppeli, Jonathan and Dio, Speedwagon, Oldwagon, and Joseph, Santana and Stroheim, AC/DC and Lisa, Wamu and Caesar. Oh, the cherry fight. Joseph and the zombie horses. And Joseph and cars. I love them. I love all these covers. And then like, it's really nice, the colors. Like each box has, let me take this shit out. I should really throw these papers out because I'm not gonna use them at all. But I love how all these boxes have like a different color accenting whatever the color of the box is, of like the color of the cover, you know what I mean. But yeah, JoJo's a really colorful series. I'm really glad they did this, and I'm really glad these are all English subtitles. If we ever get like an English dub for the 2012 anime, I'm probably gonna buy that too, but I'm probably also going to keep these single volumes just for the novelty and to say I did, because I'm a huge JoJo's Bizarre Adventure fan. I have all of the Viz Media manga. I have JoJo Viller, the art book. I have a lot of shit, okay? But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, this is my very first like anime manga related video. I hope you guys enjoyed. You can leave a comment on anything you liked or anything you're interested in. I'm gonna try to do reviews for a bunch of shit, like ongoing anime or completed ones, maybe of any of the content that I bought, manga reviews, recommendations, anything. It's just that I need a camera first. I'm recording this on my iPad, so yeah, leave a like, comment, subscribe, whatever. I need to come up with like a jingle to make this catchy, but thanks for watching, especially because this video is long as hell. Alright, so see ya. JoJo.